Hey children, very good evening. I hope you all will be all right. Okay, let's start with the video. In the last video, I explained to you about the nutrition in animal, and I discussed to you about the steps which is involved in the process of nutrition. So firstly, you should know about the nutrition. That nutrition is the food in which we take food, and that is utilized with our body for our growth and development. Okay, and there are 5 steps which are involved in this process. Number 1, that is called ingestion. Ingestion means intake of food. Number 2, digestion. Digestion means breaking down of complex food substance into simple soluble substances. Number 3, absorption. Absorption means the absorption of all the nutrients which are present in our food. Number 4, assimilation. Assimilation means distribution of these nutrients and utilized by our body organs. And number 5, that is called egestion, that is removal of undigested food from our body. That I've already explained to you about this topic. Okay. Next topic was nutrition in amoeba, hydra, frog and insects, and the organs which are utilized in this process, that is in amoeba pseudopodia and food vacuole, in hydra tentacles, in frog long sticky tongue, and in insects a tube-like structure that is called proboscis. Okay, now in today's video I'm just going to explain to you about nutrition in human beings. Okay, we are the human beings, we are the omnivorous, we are eating everything. We are eating plant products, we are eating animal products. If we will talk about myself, I am completely herbivorous. I am eating only plant products. Okay, so what we do in this process, we take in food through our mouth, digest and utilized all the nutrients for our growth and development. Okay, the undigested part of the food are expelled from our body, and the food possesses through a long muscular canal that is called alimentary canal, that is opens in both the end, the starting end and the last end, and that is divided into 5 parts. Number 1, that is buccal cavity. Number 2, esophagus or food pipe. Number 3, the stomach. Number 4, small intestine and large intestine. Number 5, anus. Okay, so our digestive system are completely divided into 2 parts. ये 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड होता है. फर्स्ट पार्ट में आता है हमारा एलिमेंट्री कैनाल, एंड सेकेंड पार्ट में आता है हमारा डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड्स. सो एलिमेंट्री कैनाल ये 5 और 6 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होता है. नेक्स्ट आता है हमारा डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड्स. डाइजेस्टिव ग्लैंड्स का क्या फंक्शन होता है? दे आर बेसिकली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर सिक्रीटिंग डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस और एंजाइम्स विच आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड. अब हम लोग तो बहुत सारा कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड खाते हैं, उनके ब्रेक डाउन करने के लिए भी तो कुछ ज़रूरी होना चाहिए. अब ग्राइंडर तो है नहीं हमारे स्टमक के अंदर. वी आर हैविंग जस्ट डाइजेस्टिव एंजाइम्स एंड जूसेस दैट हेल्प्स इन द ब्रेक डाउन ऑफ दीज कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड. जो आप तरह तरह के फूड खाते हो, पिज़्ज़ा खाते हो, बर्गर खाते हो, चॉकलेट्स खाते हो, राजमा राइस खाते हो, तो पेट ही बेचारा कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. लेकिन थैंक्स टू दीज डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस विच हेल्प्स बाय द हेल्प ऑफ दीज डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस हमारा सारा का सारा कॉम्प्लेक्स फूड जो होता है वो ब्रेक डाउन हो जाता है. सो वी कैन से दैट आवर डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम्स आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट. Number 1, alimentary canal, and number 2, digestive glands. And alimentary canals are divided into 6 parts. I can say that that is buccal cavity or oral cavity. Number 2, esophagus or food pipe. Number 3, stomach. Number 4, small intestine. Number 5, large intestine, that is end with rectum. And number 6, that is called anus. Okay, so I'm just going to explain you one by one. So I take buccal cavity. I start with buccal cavity. Don't get confused. Buccal cavity means your mouth. If we will talk about buccal cavity, that is mouth. Fine. So if we will talk about mouth, mouth is also having 3 parts inside it. Number 1, teeth. Number 2, tongue. And number 3, salivary glands. इफ़ वी विल टॉक अबाउट अवर माउथ, अगर हम माउथ के बारे में अपने बात करते हैं तो उसमें 3 पार्ट पाए जाते हैं हमारे माउथ के अंदर भी, दैट इज़ टीथ, टंग एंड salivary gland. Okay, so what is the function of teeth? The teeth break the food into small pieces, chew and grind it. Okay, chewing क्या करती है, हेल्प क्या करती है? Chewing mixes the small pieces of the food with saliva. Chewing, जब हम चबाते हैं कोई भी चीज़, अच्छा जब आपको बहुत तेज़ भूख लगी होती है एंड योर मम्मा इज़ प्रिपेयरिंग वेरी डिलीशियस फूड फॉर यू, तो अपने आप ही आपके मुंह में एक माउथ वाटर आने लगता है, दैट वाटर इज़ कॉल्ड सलाइवा. फाइन. तो द टीथ क्या करते हैं? टीथ च्यू करते हैं, ब्रेक करते हैं, एंड च्यूइंग मिक्सेस द स्मॉल पीसेस of food with saliva. This process called mastification. That is very important point. If I ask you what do you mean by mastification, so you can say that mixing of a small pieces of food with saliva is called mastification. Okay. अब जो हमारा टीथ होता है दैट इज़ ऑल्सो कवर्ड विद अ वाइट टीथ दिखते हैं सबको. सो द वाइट सब्सटेंसेज विच covers our teeth, that is called enamel. And you already know there are 4 types of teeth which is present inside in our mouth, that you have already studied about your teeth in class 5, but I'm just repeat it, no worries. So first is called incisors. That front teeth is called incisors, and the function of these teeth are biting and cutting of our food. Biting and cutting. Number 2, canines, that are called tearing teeth, and they are just present just after the incisors, and their functions are tearing of food. They help us to tear our food, right? Number 3, premolars. These are called grinding teeth. If we will talk about premolars or molars, they are the same. Firstly, after the canines, premolars are there, and after premolars, molars are there, and they both are broad, and they help in our crushing and grinding of our food. They helps in just grinding and crushing of our food. Okay, so if we will talk about teeth, it's very important that we should know about temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Do you know about your temporary teeth and permanent teeth? Temporary teeth तब होते हैं आपके माउथ में जब आप छोटे बेबी होते हैं और 10 years तक की एज तक आपके सारे टेम्परेरी टीथ आ चुके होते हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड मिल्क टीथ, और इनका नंबर होता है 20. 10 अपर जॉज में और 10 लोअर जॉज में. 10 years तक आ चुके होते हैं. दे आर कॉल्ड मिल्क टीथ. और ये जब टाइम टू टाइम ये निकलते रहते हैं आपके माउथ से, गिरते रहते हैं, टूटते रहते हैं, हम लोग सिंपल लैंग्वेज अगर बात करते हैं, और इनको रिप्लेस करते हैं परमानेंट टीथ. परमानेंट टीथ जो होते हैं दे आर कम्प्लीटली 32 इन नंबर्स, 16 अपर जॉज एंड 16 इन लोअर जॉज. और परमानेंट टीथ कभी नहीं टूटते हैं जब तक आप उनको खुद नहीं तोड़ें. परमानेंट टीथ जो होते हैं परमानेंट होते हैं और वो आपके लाइफ लॉन्ग टीथ रहते हैं. सो दे आर इन 32 इन नंबर. रिमेंबर, जब आप चाइल्ड होते हैं तो 10 years की एज तक आपके जो टीथ होते हैं वो 20 नंबर्स होते हैं, 10 इन अपर जॉज एंड 10 इन लोअर जॉज. अगर वो टूटते भी हैं तो परमानेंट टीथ उनको उन्हीं की प्लेस को लेते हैं. और धीरे धीरे जब आप एडल्टहुड में आते हैं तो परमानेंट टीथ आपके मिल्क टीथ, परमानेंट टीथ पूरी तरीके से मिल्क टीथ को रिप्लेस करके एंड आपके कम्प्लीटली माउथ में परमानेंट टीथ आ जाते हैं. एंड दे आर 32 इन नंबर, 16 इन अपर जॉज एंड 16 इन लोअर जॉज. एंड दे आर 4 types of teeth. Incisors, what they are? They are incisors, and they helps in cutting and biting of food. Canines, they are just after incisors, and they helps in tearing of our food. Next, premolars, they helps in grinding of our food, and the molars the same, crushing and grinding of our food. Okay, so it's very important we should take care of our teeth. We have to brush 3 times at least, और प्रॉपरली अपने माउथ की केयर करनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज आपको कैविटीज़ हो सकती हैं एंड दैट कैविटीज़ causes harm to your tooth. Okay, next if we will talk about next part, that is your tongue. Tongue is a fleshy muscular organ, and that is at the back side of that is attached the back side of your buccal cavity, and we can move our tongue in all directions, right? And what are the main functions of teeth? It helps in a mixing of saliva with our food. That helps mixing of our food with saliva, right? Number 2, it helps in pushing and swallowing of our food into food pipe. That helps to push and swallow. Only tongue is there by which we can swallow or push our food inside our food pipe, right? And number 3, it very important, it enables us to speak, right? Agar tongue nahi hogi, so we are not able to speak. And number 4, it has 4 types of salivary glands, or glands thing, sorry, that is taste buds. 4 types of taste bud. Number 1, salty, sugar, bitter and sweet. That is salty, sour, bitter and sweet. 4 types of taste buds are present inside in our tongue, right? फिर next आता है आपका salivary glands. The salivary gland produces saliva. What is the function of salivary gland? That helps to produce saliva. And very important function of the saliva is having enzymes that convert starch into sugar. That we eat anything that is having starch, that converts starch into sugar. So I can say that the digestion starts from the mouth first. That starts itself inside the mouth. What the teeth do? Teeth just cut and break our food into small pieces and mixes with the saliva, and that process called mastification, and the saliva converts starch into simple sugar. In saliva, that is enzyme present, that is called amylase. Amylase enzyme is present in saliva that converts starch into simple sugar. Okay, so mouth is divided into 3 parts: teeth, tongue and salivary gland. There are 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Okay, as you already know, उनके functions क्या होते हैं, right? If we will talk about tongue is very important, and सबसे पहला फंक्शन उसका ये होता है कि वो हमको बोलने में हेल्प करती है. It enables us to speak. Number 2, tongue is having 4 taste buds, that is sweet, sour, salty and bitter. अगर ये taste buds नहीं होंगी, so we are not able to taste our food, right? Next, और क्या हेल्प करती है tongue मिक्स करती है saliva, that mixes the saliva with food and help us to push or swallow the food inside the food pipe. Okay, and saliva is just secreted by the salivary gland present inside in our mouth. What is the function of saliva moisten the food, and the amylase enzyme present in saliva that convert starch into simple sugar. Okay, that is clear to you? Is there any problem? So we do the just recap. Nutrition in animals start with start with our digestive system. Our digestive system is divided into 2 parts, that is alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal is also divided into 6 parts. Number 1, buccal cavity. Number 2, esophagus, or we can say that food pipe. Number 3, small intestine, stomach. Number 4, small intestine. Number 5, large intestine with rectum. And number 6, anus. Okay, it is open both sides from the buccal cavity to anus. Okay, number 2 part, digestive glands. Digestive glands का function होता है to secrete digestive enzymes or juices which helps in the breaking down of a complex food into simple soluble substances. और ये glands कौन कौन सी होती हैं? liver होता है, salivary glands होती हैं सबसे पहले हमारी, that produces amylase enzyme that convert starch into simple sugar. फिर हमारा लीवर होता है, पेनक्रियाज होता है, बाइल जूसेस, बाइल गॉल ब्लैडर होता है, ये सारे ग्लैंड्स होते हैं, दे हेल्प्स टू सिक्रीट डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस. ओके, then firstly I have taken buccal cavity. I have already explained you about the buccal cavity, and buccal cavity is divided into three parts: teeth, tongue, and salivary glands. Okay, kindly go through it, all the topics which is given in your book, that is already given in page number 17 and 18. If you will read it, watch my video, then everything is clear to you. And do the assignment which I have given, which is related to these topic. And if you find any difficulty, then discuss with me on Tuesday when WhatsApp window is open. Okay, read it properly, then you understand each and everything properly. Okay children, bye.